The Badlands Traveler shown in the screenshot is a purpose-built, single-engine aircraft associated with builder and pilot Garetson. The video title says Brand New Badlands Traveler Walkaround and Test Flight, and the aircraft is presented on the ramp before flight testing. FAA-derived records list the Badlands Traveler as a fixed-wing, single-engine 3-seat aircraft and identify it as a builder-certified aircraft rather than a type-certificated production airplane. The most obvious feature is the large blue engine cowling and compact high-wing configuration. The aircraft has a rugged appearance, designed around short field and backcountry flying rather than conventional airport cruising. The large landing gear and oversized tires are particularly noticeable. These features are important for operations from grass, dirt, gravel, and other unimproved surfaces. The walkaround also gives viewers an opportunity to see the cockpit, engine installation, landing gear, control surfaces, propeller, and overall construction before the aircraft leaves the ground. A pre-flight inspection like this is especially important with a newly completed aircraft because the pilot and builder need to verify that systems operate correctly before progressively increasing the flight envelope. Last flight is much more than simply proving that an airplane can fly. During the first flights of a new aircraft, pilots carefully evaluate controllability, engine performance, temperatures, vibration, landing characteristics, trim, stall behavior, and general handling. Any unexpected issue can then be corrected before the aircraft is used more extensively. The Badlands Traveler has also appeared in STOL competition activity. A national STOL Series post documented a traveler making a takeoff in only 56 feet during a competition at Hartford Municipal Airport. That illustrates the type of performance the aircraft is intended to demonstrate, getting airborne quickly and operating efficiently from short strips. The describing this aircraft as a 2027 Badlands Traveler, it is worth being precise. The available FAA-derived information identifies individual Badlands Travelers by their registration and build information. It does not establish a universal 2027 production model specification. For example, one recorded Traveler is identified as a 2024 aircraft, while another FAA-derived listing identifies the model without a conventional model year designation. Therefore, the 2027 reference is best understood as the future context or planned use of this newly built aircraft, unless the builder has specifically announced a 2027 model year version. The new Badlands Traveler represents the kind of aircraft aimed at pilots who value STOL capability, rugged construction, low-speed handling, and backcountry versatility. The walkaround establishes what has been built, while the test flights demonstrate whether the airplane performs as expected in the real world.